Imagine this. Right now, as you're watching this video, the Earth is spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. But what if, just for 1 second, it suddenly stopped? No warning, no slowdown, just instant tawakuf. Would you even notice? Or would that single second be enough to destroy everything you know? Because the truth is, that 1 second might be the most violent moment in human history. The Earth doesn't just spin slowly. At the equator, you're moving faster than a jet airplane right now, and you don't even feel it. So if the Earth suddenly stopped, you wouldn't stop with it. Everything, people, cars, buildings, oceans, would keep moving at full speed. Imagine being thrown sideways at over 1,000 miles per hour. Cities would instantly turn into storms of flying debris. Skyscrapers would shear apart. Planes in the sky, they'd be ripped out of control. In less than a second, entire civilizations would collapse. But it gets worse. The air itself is also spinning with the Earth. So when the planet stops, the atmosphere keeps going. This creates winds faster than any hurricane ever recorded. We're talking about winds exceeding 1,500 kilometers per hour. That's enough to strip the ground bare. Forests? Gone. Buildings? Flattened. Even mountains would begin to erode under that force. The sky itself would become a weapon. Breathing would be impossible. Surviving? Almost unthinkable. Now think about the oceans. Right now, Earth's rotation actually shapes how water is distributed across the planet. When that rotation stops, water doesn't just sit still. It begins to shift violently. Massive mega tsunamis would form instantly. Entire oceans would surge toward the poles. Coastal cities? Gone in seconds. And in some places, land that has never seen sunlight could suddenly be exposed. Ancient secrets, lost shipwrecks, maybe even things we were never meant to see. But no one would be there to witness it. The Earth itself wouldn't escape unharmed. Our planet isn't solid like a rock. It's layered, moving, alive. When rotation stops suddenly, the stress on the crust would be unimaginable. Massive earthquakes would ripple across the globe. Volcanoes would erupt simultaneously. Tectonic plates would shift violently. Entire continents could fracture. It would be like the Earth is tearing itself apart, all within moments. Let's say, somehow, something survives. The Earth wouldn't just go back to normal. A day would no longer be 24 hours. One side of the planet would face the sun for months, burning under endless heat. The other side? Trapped in permanent darkness, freezing beyond anything humans have ever experienced. Weather systems would collapse. Ecosystems would vanish. The balance that allowed life to exist would be gone. All of this from just 1 second. One tiny moment where the Earth decides to stop spinning. It's hard to imagine something so small causing something so catastrophic. But that's the reality of the world we live in. We exist in a perfectly balanced system where even the smallest change can mean the end of everything. So next time you feel the ground beneath your feet, just remember, it's moving faster than you think. And if it ever stops, there may be no second chance.